Hi Gold Nation, this is Elena, your Technology Engagement Consultant here at Remax World Headquarters. This year at R4 there was so much buzz around Booj, and you've probably heard about Booj, but you likely want to hear more. So what I'm going to do is give you a very high-level walkthrough of what will become available to you at Phase 1 and 2 launch of the Remax Booj product suite. So let's dive in. Here you have a very high-level timeline of the rolling launch. Right now we are conducting user testing, which will continue into the spring right up until launch. In order to make this launch a successful one, we are rolling out in two major phases. Phase 1 will include everything that you see here on the screen. You will have a CRM or customer relationship management system where you can manage deals, contacts, as well as tasks in one system. Within the CRM, there will also be marketing automation like drip campaigns and integrations with transaction management systems. Since you're always on the go, there will be a mobile CRM app developed for Phase 1. Also a part of Phase 1, you will have websites. Out of the box, you will have 5 agent website templates and 5 team website templates. These websites are designed to work great without any editing. However, you do have the control over customization. And the customization is done in the CMS website editor, which will also launch at Phase 1. I want you to think of Phase 1 as your transition period, because while you'll receive everything that you see here, you will also still have Lead Street. You'll have access to Lead Street. And all of your listings and Remax leads will still be managed within Lead Street. So it's a great transition period to get to know your new tools and to get set up on them. Phase 1 will roll out in the state of California in September of 2019. Look out for future communications on specific live training dates and locations in your state. Now Phase 2 will launch in November of 2019 for all core US regions. This is really the glue that's going to make all of this ecosystem of products stick together. This is where Remax.com will be completely overhauled and launched, which will feed into those agent websites. There will be a consumer mobile search app launched at Phase 2. At this point, you will receive a CMA, and listing management will be moved over to the CRM. So at Phase 2, your Lead Street account will be decommissioned. So you now will just move forward with the new Remax Booj product suite. So get excited, Remax Gold, because the future of Remax technology with Booj will be coming into your hands starting this September.